Hello, hopefuls. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel today. I am sharing what we had for Thanksgiving. I thought this footage was on another SD card that I misplaced. So when I find that Thanksgiving footage on that SD card, I'll make sure I upload it. So I'm sorry about that, guys. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, y'all. So I didn't do too much in the dining room this time. And I didn't even set the table, but I fixed the table up. I need to move that. I was going to put that over there, but I just moved things that I had in the living room. Yeah, in the living room area, and put it in here. And this was like on the back console table, so I'll make sure I link that fall. If you want to see that fall video above in the iCard. And then I use this place setting, I think, not place setting, but the paper placemats in the runner last year on my everyday eating table. So I knew I wanted to use it this year. And this came from Big Lots. And then at the end, because I only had 4 of them, I used these circle placemats. So we are actually going to use paper today because I purchased them. And it's easy cleanup. Easy cleanup. We decided to go to the store. Over here, I did put my desserts out. Let's see, one second, y'all. Okay, that's better, y'all. So I did do my sour cream pound cake. I made this a bunch of times, but this is the first time I tried to add icing to it. So I probably just put some confection sugar on it and it just fell to the bottom. But I was eyeballing the recipe instead of trying to go by the what's the word, the directions. And this is ooey gooey pumpkin cake. So I make ooey gooey butter cake all the time, but I add the pumpkin because I purchased it and I meant to make it, but they said it tastes like pie. So then I made Jason a banana, what's it, banana pudding. It's in the refrigerator. And then Mama made, she brought 2 pies. We maybe should put some whipped topping on here. 2 pies. These are sweet potato pies. And then this one pie right here is a patty pie. So I can't wait to try Mama's pie. And then CJ brought, my brother brought this honey bun cake. He said his friend made it. It smells so good, and I can't wait to try it. So thank you so much. I have to ask my brother your name, because he said you watched my channel. So I can't wait to try this. It smells so good, y'all. And that's it, y'all. I think that's all of the desserts. But yeah, I did it really simple. I just put my topiaries here. This is what I kind of wanted to do last year. I'll give you guys a little tour later of the dining room, how I redid it and I painted it. The red is gone. And some things in here I need to do. And I do a little tour. So I'm gonna get Syed to write his little placemats and stuff, and we're gonna use these plates and stuff today. So we're really taking our time eating today. Let me show you what we're eating, because Jason had to work today. He worked days, so 12-hour days, and so normally he works nights if he usually does work, but they on this crazy new schedule. So he normally works nights in the past if it was a holiday. So normally I had the food ready by 1 o'clock or something so he can eat it, so he won't be sleepy or nothing like that. So this is what we're eating. So they normally feed him at work, and he'll come home and probably, or just eat a little bit at work or whatever, and he'll come home and eat. But I'm not sure till he get home what exactly they fed him. Sometimes it's Boston Market. I mean, it's usually good stuff. Okay, y'all. So Mama made the cabbage. It's dark in this corner. Y'all know my little corner over here is dark, and it tastes so good. I already tasted her mac and cheese. Tastes so good. I'm so glad, so happy Mama helped me out with I try to always do it myself, and I need to ask for help. So ask for help, y'all. Plus I like trying or tasting other people's food, especially when I know it's good and it's Mama's food. So this really helped me out. These 2 dishes, that dish, a whole lot, because I didn't have as much to do. And this mac and cheese is good. You can tell we've already been in it. Then I have my apple sage stuffing over here. I make this every single year. It tastes a little different because I did not I got the wrong apples. So with my stuffing, I usually use Galveston, Rome, or Golden Delicious, and I use Granny Smith, y'all. So they gonna eat it anyway, but yeah. Okay, so this is my ham, and then let's see, the collard greens, and I normally use a ham hock. This time I use, what did I use? A turkey drumstick, turkey leg, turkey leg. I normally don't make corn. And I made corn this time because Sal likes corn. And I made rice. I normally don't make that either. And I did add some water, but I used turkey broth, so it's white rice. It looks like it's brown rice. So turkey, not turkey broth, but turkey stock. My string beans, I decided to add this at the last minute to the menu. And then this is my turkey, and it's the crock pot turkey. I think I'm going to insert that somewhere in this video of it. It's really moist, and that's just a turkey breast with the bone, on the bone. Then we have Hawaiian rolls, and we also have brioche rolls as well. And I have extras, so Jason can have some when he gets home. And these are the candied yams. I cooked them a little bit long, but that is, I'm sure once you stir it up, but I didn't want to because of the what's it, the marshmallows. And I normally don't put that on there either, so just trying something new. And I'm sure it's not that brown underneath. Then our turkey, I'm waiting for the second one to go right beside it. It's frying, if you can hear it in the background, the second one. So I went ahead and fried 2 turkeys because I already had a turkey and it needed to be cooked. I had it for a while in my freezer, and I had the other one. You'll see a grocery haul, and I'll talk about that. My dad got both of these turkeys, one at different times, so I need to go ahead and cook it. Plus I know that fried turkey goes really quickly. So that is it. My gravy is over here, and it already made its juice from the turkey breast being in here, and all I had to do was, like, you know, I added some turkey gravy, and you don't have to, but you can just use some flour, some browning, I don't know what's it called, browning seasoning, you know, and I added some more chicken stock or chicken broth, turkey stock, and then I left all of those, let's see, y'all, like the celery, the onions, probably some pieces of chicken in here, still in here. So some yummy, yummy, yummy gravy, and I have it on the warming feature on here. And then here's the other turkey. It's still frying, and it's like hot, hot, hot. So I think yeah, it's hot. So guys, that is what we're having for Thanksgiving this year. What did you guys have on your menu? Let me know. Are you guys going Black Friday shopping? I don't know if we are or not this time. Not nothing that's too enticing. Plus, I was able to snag some stuff online. So I'll probably just look at some sales for my kids for Christmas and snag some of those that I normally don't look at. And they're watching Netflix in there. I never really turned the camera around. But I started already Christmas decorating, and I normally don't do that, and I'll show in another video. I ran out of lights on my tree, and I had to get some for my table. It was like full of lights, ribbon, and then over there, right there, is a lot of decorations, and everybody on their phone, and they're watching something on Netflix called Holiday Rush. So I'll probably watch it a little bit later, but I just learned for me, maybe not decorate so early for, not early, but won't decorate for, what's it called, Thanksgiving, no, Christmas so soon, because y'all, I was tired. Sis was tired this week. That's why I ain't hardly upload. Yeah. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye bye.